In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a real estate newsletter with Canva. This is a fantastic tool that allows you to create beautifully designed newsletters, even if you don't have a background in graphic design. Let's get started by diving right into the process. First, go ahead and open Canva. In the search bar, type in real estate newsletter. This will bring up a selection of templates specially crafted for real estate purposes. You'll notice a wide variety of designs that can suit different styles and brand aesthetics. Take your time to browse through these options. A good tip is to consider the tone you want to convey in your newsletter. Is it formal and corporate, or perhaps more relaxed and community focused? Once you've found a template that resonates with your brand and message, click on it. This will bring you to a new page where you can customize the template to fit your needs. The option you'll want to select is Customize this template. This feature is brilliant because it allows you to adjust nearly everything on the page, from the colors and fonts to the overall layout. Now let's get into editing. You can click on the text boxes to edit the copy to align with your newsletter's content. This is the place to include important information like upcoming events, new listings, or any other updates relevant to your audience. Keep the language clear and concise so your readers can easily digest the information. Next, we'll focus on images because visuals are crucial in a real estate newsletter. On the left-hand side of Canva, you'll see an Uploads button. Click on this to upload your own photos. It could be pictures of properties, team members, or anything else that adds value to your newsletter. Remember, high-quality images can make a big difference in catching the reader's attention. Once your images are uploaded, simply drag and drop them into the placeholders within the template. This swap feature makes it incredibly easy to align your images exactly how you want them. If something doesn't look quite right, don't hesitate to adjust the size and position of the photos to ensure everything looks polished and professional. And there you have it, you've created a real estate newsletter in Canva. With these easy steps, you can produce eye-catching and informative newsletters that keep your audience engaged. Remember to save your work frequently, and when you're done, Canva lets you download or share your newsletter in multiple formats, making distribution a breeze. I hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how simple it can be to create a stunning real estate newsletter with Canva. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!